Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna package up some goodies. Um, in my previous video where I did like a 37-minute video on the 6x6 paper pad and stamp challenge, I put a hidden giveaway in there. And so the people who posted in the comment section, hashtag I made it, I told them that they're going to be winning some embellishments, so we're going to package up some embellishments for them. But I want to give a shout out to these people. The giveaway ended today, so anybody who made a comment on or before today will be receiving a small token of appreciation from me. So I just want to give a shout out. I sent you guys a response, and I told you to please email me at christianscraftyadventures@gmail.com. Please email me your name and your street address so I can send you some goodies. So it's going to be Moochops2, Vivian Halloway, Mary Crafty 694, Ilene Payne, Manashi Joshi, Teresa Ton, Cathy Scroggy, and Scrapeahappy. I already have Scrapeahappy's street address, so Rachel, don't worry about it. But the 7 winners, please email me so I don't have to go to the post office multiple times, because pre-corona I already hated going to the post office. So I want to really just do this one time, so hopefully I can get everybody's information. That will be really awesome. So today we're gonna package up some goodies. I made these embellishments that we're gonna be packaging, and this one is from the Confetti Wishes collection. And this is from Pink Paisley. I love this collection. And so we're going to be packaging up some goodies so that we can send it to our friends. And so I'm going to bring you guys with me. We're going to do it a little bit faster. We're going to play some music. And I'll bring you with the journey. I'll bring you with me in this journey of packaging some stuff. And then I may also bring you, if I have enough time, I will bring you with me when I package up these Maggie Holmes goodies also for giveaway for the friends, for some friends. All right, guys, thank you. Stay tuned and let's do some packaging. Alright guys, now we are done. I just want to show you our finished product. Sorry about the not being in a straight line, like some of it is getting cut off. I'm sorry. But now we're going to see in detail what we have. There's a pom-pom underneath there. And then like a tiny paper clip. And it's just a token of my appreciation for the people who made it that far in my video. Whether they are local, meaning in the US, or international, I will still send this package to them. I think that's super cute. So we were able to do 5. This is super chunky. Able to do 5 in that session. And then the paper too, they can use, like recycle it. Alright, that is it. I'm going to do another session for packaging some Maggie Holmes super tiny mini embellishments. This is what it looks like. This is the pack that I have right now. So we're going to be packaging these for our next video, guys. Alright, I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay strong, and as always, stay crafty. Take care, my friends. Have a wonderful crafty day. I hope you can like and subscribe down below if you like my content. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.